If you are a content creator, influencers, comedians, or anything you are, guys, that people enjoy your content or people enjoy what you do, then this video is absolutely for you guys, because I bring you amazing website that will make you earn for just being who you are. Yes, so follow me and let's dig into this video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Cameo. So Cameo lets you record video shout out for fans and they pay per request, guys. So if 100 fan pays you for shout out, what you just need to do is you need to record a shout out video for 100 people and you'll be making money doing that. So let's explore the website together. So as you can see here, actors, reality TV, athletes, comedians, musicians, creators for business and all. So now let's click on athletes. So as you can see here, it brings football, basketball, baseball, NCAA, soccer, hockey, sports reporters, extreme sports, Olympics. Guys, there are lots more of sport, guys. You see here, coaches, skateboarders, racing, rugby, boxing, golf, like women NBA, like there are just a lot of sports here. So let's just click on basketball. So let's check out players that are available for shout outs. So it's loading. So guys, here are some basketballers, guys. You can see here Isaiah Thomas, guys. So you can pay Isaiah Thomas to do a shout out video for you. See Johnny Wells, like Miles McBridge. So there are just a lot, guys. So let's go more. You see, there's just a lot, guys. James Worthy also is here. So Seth Curry, you can see. So you can pay Seth Curry for a shout out video. You see, there are just a lot more people, guys, a lot of famous basketballer, guys. So now let's go up and let's check out soccer. Let's check out soccer. So let's go to soccer, because soccer is also a popular sport. So as you can see here, this is Thiago Silva and also Fabrizio Romano. So this is a sports journalist, guys. So very popular in the soccer field. You can see here Fabrizio Romano, and this is the amount you are going to be paying him for a shout out video. You can see here there are just a lot of stuff, guys. You see Michael Essien, like Materazzi, Shilini, Shishenko, Terry, even John Terry is also here, guys. Like you can literally see like a lot of footballers. You see Michael Owen is there, McQueenos. Like all these people are very famous footballer, guys. You see Bobby Fowler and a lot more, guys. So all these people are famous soccer player or journalists that you can pay for them to make a shout out video, guys. So if you are a athletic, guys, you need to create an account and also be part of these people and charge your followers or fans for money for shout out video. And like I said, it is not only for athletes, guys. So it can be comedian, you see, actors, athletes, comedian, creators, musician. So let's check out people. Let's check out people. So there are a lot of people you can check out, guys. So it doesn't matter who you are, you can make money on Cameo. So guys, here are some popular musicians, guys. As you can see, this is an Highland boy. So this boy with his twins blew up, I think 2023 or something, guys, and they were singing, very popular on TikTok. So as I see here, there are lots more, guys. You see Redman is here, Shaggy Doo. So there's just a lot. Sean Stockman. So let's go more. Maybe you can see a very popular artist right here. So you can see here there are just a lot. You see Akon is here, guys. So you can pay Akon for a shout out video. You can see here there are just a lot, tons of people, guys. See Lil Rob, there's just a lot. DJ Envy is also here. See Orlando Brown, there's just tons of people, guys, tons of people. So Like I said, it can be anything, guys. So all you just need to do is you need to create an account and also start earning. So that'll be all for our video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.